from that great creation of mental ideas, we have the causal universe. From these many ideas has been projected the physical universe. But first remember, God created these things in ideas. He created the laws governing creation in a mental way, the electronic and thermal laws. And then he made the elements of matter, mentally created elements, the Master calls them. He made those first, the 90-odd elements which we see in physical creation. Then what happened? We have reached so far. Then we go on and we read, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the water. That means that the Spirit vibrated these mentally created elements into waves of countless ideas. And everything that was created in God's great consciousness as countless ideas has been and can be projected and is being projected as the physical universe. So you see this causal universe, as it is called. The causal universe is very important because everything is there. The light which he created next projects those waves of countless ideas of the causal universe. That's the key to realizing how God created the universe. Remember your dream. In your dream, you create all these things first. In idea. You may not be conscious of it, but the subconsciousness is doing it. Then you project it through the beam of light, and you see it on the screen of your consciousness. Is that clear? So God created the universe the same way. Remember first, he made it in idea. He created the causal universe first, made up of waves of multitudinous ideas. You cannot fathom it. He created these first. Then he projected by the great cosmic beam of light into the physical universe. So far we have reached the point of a causal universe. You cannot do a thing. You cannot come to church here until you first form it an idea. Then you come. And so when God made the universe, he first formed it in idea, producing from the mentally created elements the causal universe. Waves of unlimited ideas. You look at the flowers. There are only a few. But there are many, many, many forms of flowers. And look in the sea and see the forms of life. And look under the microscope and see what's going on. You understand the immensity of God's causal creation. Everything created in his great cosmic consciousness first. And then through the power of the cosmic energy, he made the next thing spoken of in Genesis, where we read, and God said, let there be light. Let there be light. And there was light. Now therein, in that great light, which is the holy vibration, from that one light, the cosmic flame is projected universe upon universe. Just as in the moving picture, we see the beam come down. And when it strikes the screen, then the characters of light and shadow come. But as you look up and see the beam coming down, it's hard to realize that in that beam will be produced all things that appear on the screen from that beam. So, same with the creation of the universe. From the cosmic light gathered together in the booth of eternity, projected through a lens, striking the screen of space, comes all creation. And so remember, light is a very important part of our discussion this morning. The matrix of creation is light. Light is the essence of all creation. Light is the essence of the atoms even. And it has been shown, as I will shortly point out, that all things, including the heavy metals, are made up of vibrating light atoms. It doesn't seem possible, does it? As I pick up this book, so solid and nice, vibrating light atoms. And when you pick up a piece of metal, vibrating light atoms. So remember, this is a very important part of creation, to understand the great cosmic light. And you can understand it somewhat through science. You can understand it fully by being one with it. And you cannot understand it fully until you merge in it, become one with that cosmic light. That light is in you. It is in me. It is vibrating there. The shadow of it is what feels so good. Shadow of that one light of God. It doesn't seem possible, but God is tremendous. He can do so many things. And so remember, God created all things from the light. And light is the essence of the atoms of the astral universe. All the heavy metals are in the astral light vibrating. Now that is produced through electronic law, electromagnetic law. That light is projected, frozen, as the Master used to say, into the physical universe. Creation. So there you have in a few words how it's done. Now, if you want to know more about it, you have to be one with it.